is more of like what I'm feeling. Or if I want to have like a pick-me-upper, I wear something more colorful instead of black. But if I'm feeling a bit down,
Hop back ahead of the pack. Sarah Cafe. Experience love in every cup.
Mama!
The Sevilla Furniture Interiors. Home of Innovation. Live.
Hindi ko kayo itatangka. See y'all later, madlang people. Iba talaga ang Kenyan.
Bulakenyan.
Kenyan. Hello everybody. Thanks for watching Showtime Kanina. See you again tomorrow. Hi everybody. New video now up on my channel. Hope you can check it out. It's a Blackpink X Universal Studio X G-Max Ride Extreme Kim Adventure. So hope you can check it out. Just swipe up please and don't forget to hit like and subscribe.
Makikita pa rin sa inyong TV screens ang criteria for judging.
Sila ang may mga tinik na on fire at kanilang talento ang ating tinik desire. Here's what? This, Jaya!
Morning, everybody. Fight, fight.
Morning, everybody. Time for my morning routine.
Baby ka nakita. Craving satisfied. Wow. Sarap.
Nasasangka, ang sarap. Nasasangka, ang sarap. Walang tatalo sa sangkap, walang tatalo sa sarap. Chowking, super, sarap. Halo-halo, halo-halo, halo-halo ng bayan.
Saan ka pa? Hello everybody. The one and only. Thanks, Mama.
Thank you.
Ay, ang ganda mo dito.
Sarap.
uso na daw ang clips ngayon. So, this is my clip. And this is Chang Ami's clip.
Ayaw na.
Ate K, Ate K.
Ayaw natin
amazing.
sa mga clip.
Mine is the perfect one.
Bagay naman sa office.
Thanks for my nails. Hachi Mimi. Ayaw mo. Kaini akong miga, oh. Puti kaayo.
Belle touches my skin. Who touches yours?
See you later, madlang people. Lunch today!
Hey! Thank you,
Oh!
Thank you,
Thank you, Chowking! Dito lang kami, Jun si Teddy. Doon kami, medyo busy si Kini.
Wala pala.
Halo-halo ng Chowking.
Wait, thank you sa Chowking. Nagpadala sila ng 60 pieces na halo-halo. Thank you so much.
Yes, naman. Thank you very much.
At hindi pa man lumalabas ang adults, bibigyan namin kayo ng pasilip sa hot na papasok ng bahay ni Kuya, ang second summerific batch of teens.
I'm so happy for Ate Maki. Ba talaga?
Sabi ko nga sa kanya, miski kamukha pa ni Kim Chiu yan, hindi kita pagpapalit.
Ay! Grabe yun. Grabe yun. Congrats, Ate Maki. So much, Mom! With the reflector of Florence.
Showdown kami.